Hey guys, today we're checking out something new from Team Red. It's the Founders Edition RX 6800 XT from AMD's Radeon division. While I can't give you information on performance just yet, I can tell you that this card is aimed at the high-end gaming, and at a retail price of $649 US, it better deliver. Make sure to subscribe as our full review is coming out soon. First impressions definitely give premium vibes. We're presented with a very nice and elegant box, welcoming us to the Red team. Here we have a nicely padded insert with a mini safety and legal guidelines document, as well as a QR code which leads you to AMD's website for all the relevant information. Good job, AMD. And then we have the graphics card itself. AMD has gone with a triple fan design enclosed in a very solid 2.5 slot shroud. When we look from the side, it is Fin City. We also immediately notice that there are no heat pipes in sight, just end-to-end fins and what looks like a very large heat plate across the whole board. Very interesting design. We'll have to see how it performs in our testing. It is actually surprisingly small, especially when we compare to Nvidia counterparts. Here we have RTX 3070 and it dwarfs the RX 6800 XT. Even though this card appears to be reasonably sized, it is actually really heavy. It measures just over 1.5 kilos in weight. In comparison, the RTX 3070 is just 1,100 grams, and our older RTX 2080 Super is 1,430 grams. Considering that both of these cards are considerably larger, it leads to ponder, what is the heat distribution plate made out of? Moving on, at the back we have a die-cast aluminium backplate which smoothly wraps around the enclosure. I really like this matte black and silver finish, and for those who want to go complete dark mode, it seems AMD may also have Black Edition card, where even that I/O plate is made in black. But this painted red accent line, somewhat I'm not feeling it. I wish they made it into a user configurable LED strip instead. RX 6800 XT is a 300 watt card, and to power it there are two 8-pin connectors. When taking a closer look at the back, we find two DisplayPort 1.4 ports and a single HDMI 2.1 port, as well as USB Type-C port, which can also provide power. This is especially useful for those who want to play in VR. This card features the new RDNA 2, also known as the Big Navi architecture. It comes with 72 compute units and 72 RAY accelerators. It also has boost frequency of up to 2250 MHz and game frequency up to 2015 MHz. In terms of memory, this card features 16GB of GDDR6 VRAM clocked at 16 gigabits, as well as 128 MB of Infinity Cache. This is a new type of memory dedicated to amplify memory bandwidth without increasing the size of the 256-bit bus, thus improving efficiency. Another large development is Smart Access Memory, SAM for short. This allows CPU to have direct access to all the VRAM on the GPU, thus improving performance. It's a function currently only available with new Zen 3 CPUs and RDNA 2 graphics cards, but I feel it may become mainstream in the future across all brands. I would be remiss if I didn't mention some of the features. For people who play AAA titles, the latest Radeon lineup supports DirectX 12 Ultimate as well as AMD Fidelity FX and Radeon Image Sharpening. And for those who are into esports titles, there is Radeon Anti-Lag and Radeon Boost to help improve overall game responsiveness. We'll be going over this in our upcoming review, so stay tuned. Ultimately, this card is aimed to compete with Nvidia's RTX 3080 and we look forward to seeing which one comes out on top. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up and subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one.